Hey everybody, James here. Haven't done a video in a while, but what I'm going to shoot today is some 300 blackout, 155 grain lees. But these I loaded with, if I pronounce it correctly, Cervesio Adventurous small pistol primers. These wouldn't light off in my 9mm pistol. I had some misfires. So I'm just checking to see if they'll work in a 300 blackout. The case is approximately the same as a 357 Magnum. So anyway, these were loaded up with 14 grains of H110 and normally shoot pretty well. So this is, like I say, this is just a test. I know the primer strike will be a lot firmer in this rifle than in my pistol. So we'll see if we get any misfires with this. Just gonna shoot at 25 yards just to see what it does. Wow, that hit was low. I think it's sighted in for my 135 grain 300 blackouts. Primer looks okay. About a 3-inch group of 2 shots though. Wow. It's really stringing the shots. Sure is nice to have this brass catcher. Well, they all fired in here, but the group is horrible. I mean horrible. It's probably a 5-6 inch group at 25 yards, and this thing will normally shoot inch and a half at 100. So apparently not a good enough ignition with the small pistol primer and the 300 blackout using 14 grains of H110. That group is terrible. And I know this gun will do much better than that. So for whatever reason, small pistol primers don't seem to do the job in the 300 blackout, at least with my load of H110, 14 grains. You can see they're scattered out there pretty good. That's every bit of a 5-6 inch group at 25 yards. So anyway, that's my story for today. Thanks for watching.